Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove or replace a radio CD player on Audi A4. We have this here A4 B6 2003 model, guys. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to remove it and what you need for the repair now. So you guys need 4 of these tools. They're very inexpensive. We will have the link on our website mechaniclifestyle.com where you can get those. They're very inexpensive, and some people do it with 2. We will be doing it with 2 because we lost 2 of them somewhere, and it's possible, but 4 is needed for that job. So if you go on one side first, okay guys, if you go like right here, you need to point this way. Okay, check it out. And you need to, okay, push it in here. You're going to see, okay, in a little bit how much it needs to go more until it locks. Okay, right there. Okay, the top one needs to go more. Okay, so they're locked in place. Okay, and this side came loose now. It came loose, but now it's hard to pull them out. That's why you need 4 of them. Now we need to grab the other side right here. Okay, and pull it as well. Okay, they're locked in place, perfect. Okay, and we pulled it out. But again, guys, you need 4 of those. Okay, they get stuck. Okay, right here in the back. I'm going to show you in a little bit exactly where that is. Okay, and now we need to undo all the wires in the back. Okay, and how you do that now? Okay, we need to unhook the antenna first. Okay, you just pull it out. Then we need to unhook that wire. Okay, squeeze there. And pull. Okay, let me show you now. Right here. Okay, that's the place you need to press in and pull out. And then you have all these wires here. Okay, last one now. This one has a thing right here, you can see, and on the other side as well. So it needs to, you need to push both of them in. Okay, so you can take it out. So if you push it in first and then, okay, pull both of them, you'll be able to do that this way. Okay guys, and this is the radio unit right here. That's how you guys remove it. When you need to install it, all you have to do, connect all the wires, push it in, it locks in place. You don't need any tools to install it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.